So every time I have a chance, I let Engineer775 deliver my material. He's got a big old truck, a big old trailer, and as far as I can tell, he loves moving heavy stuff. So we just pulled up on the site. We're about to add 5 kW more to this system and add the battery backup power functionality. So it's going to be an interesting part of this project. It's been a 2-part job. So here we are, building the solar array. Scott's got his new. Is that your deer processing saw?
It is. Cuts legs off quicker than goes into off-grid mode.
Initiate off-grid mode. Let's go. Can't help talk about Arnold a little bit. I'm over here mounting this inverter. If we haven't told you before, we love Milwaukee products. We love cordless tool products. So, did I tell you what the title of this YouTube video is going to be?
No.
The Last of the Schlettikens.
Oh my.
The last Schletter ever.
Lord
How about
mercy?
How about, what do you think I should call it? I need a good title. You don't think they'd get the last of the Schlettikens?
Let's use this bottom as our install, and then we'll put this
You
one.
guys aren't joking around at all this morning. You don't think I should call it the last of the Schlettikens?
You can call whatever you want. It's your video, boss.
It's like Last of the Mohicans, but Schletterikens?
I understood that.
You didn't get it.
Yeah, we got it.
All right.
We got it.
Look at Abe in those glasses. Abe, who'd you vote
Glasses and a purple shirt. I voted for State.
for? Hey, did you drive?
right.
Did you drive across the border last night and vote
Yeah,
with
you
your whole
voted.
family?
I voted 3 or 4 times. It's like a shield, boss.
It is.
Solar shield.
This is my new Viking shield.
How do you like your new suction cup, boss?
I love it. This thing's great.
Trying out the new solar panel. Can you go horizontal with it and not break it? Hate to see you get a pay cut. No, you're supposed to keep one hand on it.
You are?
Yeah, it's
Well,
just
I'm...
the one other hand is, yeah, that's pretty good. You're freaking me out. Okay, stop it. All right.
Let's throw these around. It's cool though. I like it.
No, it's cool. It has its place. First,
Look at that. Take a step back and you can see it.
all right, what's up, Tim?
Look at that.
Look at that right there. So we got a broken panel. It's a strange but familiar shape. So when they were palletized, somebody palletized them with this underneath the last panel. You can see the indentation right there. We're all the way to the panel. So anyway, figure this one's on you guys. Folks, if you're gonna hang solar, you're gonna break some glass. Luckily, it wasn't us that broke the glass, so they stacked a corner right underneath them all. So pour a little out for my homies. Broken solar panel. Broken heart. So he doesn't want me to call it the last Schletter, the last of the ground mounts, the last of the Schletters, the land before ground mounts, el último Schletterico. No, you don't like that? So you guys are probably wondering, all these panel carriers, what is Johnny doing? I'm putting up the second inverter. Here we go. Coffee cup and the water bottle.
We will miss the Schletter.
We're gonna burn this one. We're gonna push it out on the boat and burn it.
We are.
Just
The
kidding.
last.
We're mounting it. So always quicker to, if you're gonna do a ground mount and you want to expand, pay a little extra money, put the post and the pipe in later on, or first time. Looking good, boys. Last thing I would want to do is forget to show some lunch footage here.
Don't get in our way. We're eating.
This is the meat and 3 of Isla.
I think it's a meat and 5.
It's the meat and 5
5
for you.
meats and
What do you got there, boss?
Listen up.
Yeah, this place is awesome. These people voted for Kent. Huh? Yeah, these boys gonna eat me out of house and home. Oh yeah. How was it, boss?
Filling. Very good.
Babe?
Most excellent.
Let's zoom in on it, boss. Look at that.
How much do you love backing your trailer up?
This will be close enough.
Man, that's pretty cool. Now I see why you bought a new truck, boss. How you doing, boys?
Good.
So we just got her done here. She's looking real nice. 10 kW. She's snugged up behind this barn, and you cannot see this setup from the road. So we've got two SMA inverters, 10 kilowatts of solar. It's going to be adding the battery back up tomorrow. One bustificated panel. And this is the last of the shredders, folks. So here is the completed second phase 2 of the solar array. Got Mission 295s. And there's 18 of them. There's the solar. Went up out. Cord grip. And going down into the combine or into the pass-through box. We went ahead and put the conduits and the posts in anticipation for building this array when we built the first one. So it went up really quick. There's the two SMA inverters. Disconnects around the house. Busted panel. So this one turned out really nice. Next thing I'm gonna do is come back and build the battery portion. This is gonna get battery backup. AC couple this sucker. New array right here. Likes to be knocked on, making 300 watts. She's screaming. It's the end of the day. This one's making 400. So the way this thing kind of works is I had to stick it behind this barn so nobody can see it from the road. But this array makes power first in the morning, cuts out in the day at the end of the day, and this array makes power later into the day. But with 10 kW, this guy's power bill, when he had 5 kW, was something like $15 a month. So he's gonna be zeroed out, probably having an excess every year. Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar. If you're in Georgia or South Carolina, the southeast, we're located in North Georgia, and we can definitely do your solar project. Say bye to Engineer775. See you later, boss.
Thanks, boss. Enjoyed working with you again.
Look at that.
As always.